Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. It's actually 2 days worth of charity shop stuff here because I got a bit behind on my videoing. Let's have a look. Found this in Keynsham. I just dropped a bit on the floor. It's the Meccano plastic set. Only cost me 50p, and I only bought it because I've already got some and I'm missing a couple of tyres. So I thought, well, 50p, that's fine. That will actually give me the tyres I need for the kit that I've already got. So looks like it's got some useful bits in there anyway, but it was the wheels and the tyres that I was after. So that was 50p. That was the bit that fell on the floor, just a little bit of plastic tubing. Next, again 50p, a spinning top. Now I can see this one's got a little hole in it for wrapping a bit of string around it to give it a proper spin. I mean, it spins absolutely fine as it is, but I'll see if I can find a bit of string at some time and give that a proper wind it up and pull it to get it go really fast. And then this one needs batteries. It's got some in there. Switch it on. It says, where are we? Can we see that? Taiyo, T-A-I-Y-O. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. I notice it's got this steering on it, but I think that's just, well, it's not radio controlled as such. You switch it on, you push it down, and it makes noises. It might even start running, but it's very stiff, so I'm going to have to take that one apart and see what it should do. But I can't quite imagine what that steering's for, whether you just set it to one way and it goes round in a circle anyway. We'll have a look, we'll check the batteries and take it apart anyway, separate video. Right, next, pack of Dominoes for £1. I've been doing a series on Dominoes, doing those where you set them up and knock them over. And I saw this pack for £1, so I thought I'd buy them and use them as part of the domino, whatever you call it, effect that I'm slowly building up from different domino sets. By coincidence, this isn't charity shop, this is out of Poundland, I'd bought these. Retro toys, dominoes and dice, so we got some dice there, but I bought these to see what they were like. A nice wooden box, which should open. That doesn't want to open. Let's see if we can encourage it a bit. There we go. So that's got some similar dominoes, slightly smaller than those. Yeah, just a bit smaller. But again, I ought to be able to use them to do the domino effect. I bought another pack in Poundland that were much too thin, but these look like they might just about work. So that's what I bought them for. When I bought it, I was thinking I might be able to actually use the box for something completely different. Maybe make a little electric car with it, sort of soapbox style. I haven't got any particular use for the dice. And then finally, for £1, make your own wind-up robots. Now, one of the other charity shops has had a pack like this in there, and they wanted stupid money for it, about £4 or £5. So when I saw this one in a different charity shop for £1, and I peeked inside, and it's completely unused, I thought I'd buy it. What you've actually got is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bodies with wind up. Oh, I suppose we could open it. Five wind up clockwork mechanisms, and then the idea is you fold up some card or something to make these different shapes. But I was rather keen just to get these. If we can get it open. In fact, in one of my recent videos looking at this, I had a wind up snowman, I think it was, and it was identical. It had this ridge round there that held the body in place. That's brilliant. Well, to get 5 of them for £1, I'm really happy. Obviously the idea is you fold up your robots, as it calls them, from these bits of card, and set them going. So I'll put them back in the bag and leave them for my grandsons to play with, but I'm really pleased to get 5 of these, brand new, working absolutely fine. Brilliant.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.